Hello G, Namaste, good morning and Guten Morgen. A Merry Christmas to all of you. Today it's 25th of December 2022. I wish you guys a wonderful Sunday, a wonderful Christmas, and I hope the rest of 2022 goes wonderful for you and the new year is awesome as well. So it's my first time here, so definitely I'll make good use of Christmas as a excuse to enjoy the city and definitely make a beautiful video. I hope you guys like it. So let's go. We left for Amsterdam. We'll be boarding a bus from the Grand Voorwich bus station, and then to Schiphol, and from Schiphol we'll change for Amsterdam Central, I guess. So, but the thing is, it started to rain, and it's raining pretty heavy right now. Let's see how the day unfolds. So we reached the Central station, and I hope the weather is good here. Even if it's raining, I mean, we've come so far, then why the hell not just roam around? Okay, so we are back inside the station. So we had actually packed some food, a small picnic, hot chocolate, some sandwiches from home, and we actually are planning to sit inside the station as kind of a sitting area to have lunch, the food we bought, and then we'll roam around in the rain. I think this is a ferry to go from one place to another. Yeah, it's pretty cool here. People have their own scooters or cycles. It's for the first time I've seen this in real life. Nice. And this is the port for the ferry. It has started to pour, heavy rainfall here. I mean, we thought we would have, enjoyed walking in the Amsterdam Central area, but it's raining so much. For the past half an hour or 1 hour, I guess, we are just roaming inside the Central station. have to go that side. So one thing I feel there's a difference between India and Amsterdam is to follow the rules, to follow even the rules for pedestrians. I personally am ending up walking more than I used to in India, because in India we used to cross the road anywhere, anytime we wanted, right? But here there are proper rules. You need to let the system know that you are waiting to cross the road, and then it will give a green light or a red light depending upon the cars. Okay, so we are going towards the red light area. Damn, I was so much avoiding it, but somehow the Google map, it took us towards the red light area. I cannot help it. I don't know whether we are allowed to use a camera there or not. Let's hope we are. So that's the red light area from this alley, and we are not in the red light area right now. That's a good thing. This is a full red light area, this side as well as on this side, and these are the windows on which everything is on display, but not today, luckily. Not luckily, I mean for the video, yeah, luckily we came at a time when everything is closed, I guess, so there is nothing on display, but this is the red light area. So if you see behind me the coffee house, so in Amsterdam there are two things, right? One is coffee and one is cafe. So when you want to have coffee, if you go to a coffee shop, you will, I think majority of the times you will get a coffee which will have marijuana in it, some amount of marijuana and different drugs, because I think these things are kind of legal here. So make sure where you're going, if you want to have just coffee, then a cafe or a cafe shop is good for you. If you want to kind of have some fun as well along with your coffee, then a coffee house is preferred. So now the sun has somewhat set and the Christmas lights have started to show. It's looking very beautiful. This is the beauty I'm talking about. That's pretty cool. You have your own boat, so instead of a car you travel by the boat, because Amsterdam as it is has a lot of canals, so I think you can reach anywhere in a boat in Amsterdam. That's pretty cool, man. It seems Amsterdam suddenly just lit up completely, and it looks so beautiful now. I'm at a place, one of the alleys in Central. It is, I think, a paradise for smokers. E-cigarettes, marijuana, even seeds are available for marijuana. That is an example of a proper coffee shop, just a coffee. Cafe, just a coffee. So now we know the difference. So we're back in the metro, going back to home. We are back home. We spent a good day in Amsterdam Central. We took all the modes of transport, a bus, metro, train, and we walked a lot. It was great. Even though there was a lot of rain, but we did what we had to do. We had fun. So I hope you guys liked the video, and Merry Christmas. Enjoy your day. Have a good one. Take care. Bye. Thank you.